ready. Just ready.
I'm motorcade. A four-way flashing at the Spain.
The next BNP government will be a government for the people, of the people, with the people. We will govern in the true spirit of Michael Joshua Manley, because we know that the people of Jamaica want a government that cares for those who need care.
Booping at them head.
We're now in the silly season of politics, and the government is promising everything under the sun. Don't be tricked or fooled. Most of what they tell you, they will never deliver on. This election on the 26th of February is a vital election for the People's National Party and for Jamaica, because we need to ensure that this regime of underholdness of the Jamaica Labour Party gets a strong signal that their time is up. The time comes.